Now let's learn more about idle and how it came about. Idle is written in Python and uses the tkinter graphics library. The author of Python, Guido van Rossum, says that the language is named after the British comedy group Monty Python. It is believed that the name Idle was probably also chosen partly to honor Eric Idle, one of Monty Python's founding members. Idle has several useful features. It has an interactive Python shell, which you have already seen earlier. There is a fully featured text editor to write Python code. This editor also allows us to highlight syntax, autocompletes known code elements, and adds indents where required. There is also a debugger which helps you catch errors. To start Idle from Windows, simply type idle in the search box and click on the idle icon. You can even launch the Python shell from the command prompt. Type Python, and once the Python prompt is displayed, you can use it just like the idle shell that we saw earlier. This is known as the interpreter mode. Now, what is the interpreter mode? Well, keywords of any programming language need to be converted into machine language so that the code can run. This is done by the translator software. Translation software may work in two ways. First, as a compiler, it considers all the instructions in a program and converts the source code into its equivalent machine code. For example, languages such as C and C++ use compilers. Second, as an interpreter, it takes one instruction at a time and it executes it in real time. This is an interactive way of executing program. Python uses an interpreter.